Imported data can have a huge impact on performance. Many imports come from vendors and contain a level of detail that is not necessary to include in higher-level assemblies. Imported hardware frequently has detailed threads and cosmetic features. Imported pumps and other commonly purchased items sometimes include embossments for branding and internal mechanisms and voids. PCBs frequently contain too many instances, showing a level of detail unnecessary for mechanical CAD. This adds up to assemblies that struggle to regenerate and respond. In the import dialog, selecting the correct option for the type of import you are bringing in is important. Combine to a single part studio inserts all the components into one part studio, which means identical components are treated as separate parts. It should only be used if you are planning to use features to simplify and merge parts. Once you have finished importing, evaluate the assemblies and parts for cosmetic or unnecessary details. Delete internal components and fill in embossments or threads. In a part studio, some custom features can help. The Simplify feature works on any import to fill in voids and remove faces. The Fix PCB feature is similar but works specifically with PCBs. For this feature to work, use the Combine to a single part studio option when importing. Consider using Onshape's PCB Studio when working with CAD printed circuit board data. Instead of importing neutral files containing 3D geometry, PCB Studio works with IBF, IBX, and Eagle PCB data in conjunction with a pre-configured library to generate circuit board models containing all the information needed to link PCBs to mechanical CAD designs without hindering performance.